Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. The point of living is to believe the best is yet to come. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow finish down 49, NASDAQ off 42, S&P's down 14. Now, that doesn't seem that bad, folks, but each and every one of them failed at highs, on price, on volume, couldn't handle price or volume. Gold up 290, traded at 1167. You got silver up 2 cents at 1588. Both gold and silver folks want higher price. They want to go after their May 18th swing high, which is dramatically higher from where we are right now. Platinum down $6 at $9.89. You get copper down 3 pennies at $2.38 a pound. Light sweet crude down 53 cents, $46.58 a barrel. Oil looks like it's going back to the other side of its trend. That very well could be a buy there. The XLE is setting up real nice for a buy. Bonds, the 10-year up 5 ticks, 128.30. 30-year up 8 ticks, 158.02. The bond market, folks, once again has rejected lower price, wants higher price. The 10-year is still in an ABC structure on the way up at a 131 price level. King dollar just can't handle higher price. King dollar up 10 ticks, 94.77. King dollar wants the lows of the 24th, which is in the 92.50 area. We'll see how it handles that area. You break that area in King dollar, and that's 85 in King dollar. That would be pretty intense. Euro is up 27, trading at 113, and you got the yen trading at 119.75. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? This is how it's set up, folks. Bottom line, S&P has tried to get to higher price. You did a nice counter trend bounce. You got up to the last bounce of the 17th of September. The high of there was 202.89. The low, 199.89. You did 276 million shares. Bottom line, last Thursday, we did 153 million. You got to 201.55. Friday, 107 million. Yesterday, 56. It's amazing that it can only do 82 million today, folks. This S&P wants to run back down to 186.93, which is the low that was generated out here on the 29th of September. We'll see what happens when we get down there. Bottom line, that's where I suspect we're going. NDX 100, the 3 Qs. What do we have? Same type of setup in the NDX 100. Hasn't been able to hold price nor volume. What you have with the NDX 100, we're going into the same day, the 17th of September. The high of that day is 108.72. The low is 106.64. We've closed at 106.10. We did volume today of 26 million. You're dealing with 56 million. It's pretty intense, actually. Now, if we go to Intel, Intel just come out with numbers. So check this out. This is pretty cool, folks. Intel, bottom line, come out with numbers, decent numbers. Intel spikes higher. And guess what? Can't handle price. Pretty amazing. And this is after the close, by the way. Bottom line is that you had Intel close at 32.04. We traded up to 32.94. Now you're at 31.99. That is not going to handle higher price. And so what does that set up? Well, even without Intel, the Qs were dealing with lower price. But that is another confirmation that this market can't handle higher price. Now, what will happen is this. Intel itself is a large weighting structure inside the QQQ. The QQQs closed at 106.10. Bottom line, I suspect they're going to be off a few pennies. Yeah, the NQs right now at 43.41. The NQs had spiked. That's the NASDAQ futures. So they had spiked to 42.49, 42.50. Now they're going to close at the lower end of that range. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, folks, they can't handle pushing gold. Well, gold can't handle lower price. Each and every time they try to push it down, it says, see ya, don't want to be ya. And gold has set up a really sweet potential ABC structure up. And it's a beauty, too, by the way. This structure, you know, we are at 1167. You have volume behind the push. we're already taking the swing point out of 1156.40. You're going after the swing point of 1169.80. I suspect we're going to get it, and that thing wants to give up to 1234. What has happened inside the XAU and the HUI, it's taken it out with volume, with price spread, all of the above. And in fact, there's a couple of these equities that are almost up to that May level right now. Bonds. Now, the bond market, as I've said many times, continues to give the most stable information in the marketplace. And it's just amazing. They cannot whack this bond market down. Bonds want higher price. And we're at 128.30. Bonds on October 2nd had taken out the swing point from the 24th and had taken out with volume. Big volume, too, by the way. You're talking about 1.9 million contracts. So you're at 128.30. You know, the bottom of that B bar is 128.05. So you have that ABC structure in place. I suspect we're going to get to 131. The 10-year right now, probably, it's right at 2.042. What I expect you're going to see out here tomorrow will continue to lower tomorrow. You'll see that bond market continue higher, and more than likely, we very well may get the 10-year to complete that ABC structure on the way up. King dollar, bottom line, king dollar can't handle higher price. What you have with king dollar, she's inside the trading range of the 24th. The high of that range is 95.27. We're at 94.79, and I suspect we'll build some cause to get down into that lower level. Now, if we take a look at the continuous contract in king dollar, this is where the, you know, if you were a bull in king dollar, this would be very dangerous. If you're a bear in king dollar, you kind of dig it. And what it is this. When you take a look at king dollar and you put this up on a longer term basis, when we went up in 2014, folks, okay, you went straight up. July 2014, king dollar's at 79. It was a straight line move up to 100. The consolidation, the bottom of this consolidation is the 94.95. You break that level, and both times we'll be down there with volume. So on a technical basis, it's saying that the force is downtown. You break that, you can be down at 85 in a heartbeat. I mean, in a heartbeat. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming back. Let's see if J.P. Morgan came out yet with numbers. J.P. Morgan's going to be coming out after the close. They haven't come out yet. I think J.P. Morgan's scared of coming out with numbers. They're supposed to come out in the morning. They changed that. They didn't want to come out in the morning. They said another bank's going to come out in the morning. They say they're going to come out in the afternoon. Bottom line is that they're going to wait for an hour or two so people can't sell them.